First time driving the M5.
Hey, what's going on, you guys? It's your boy Posted from the Beemer Fam, and we're back at it again. Today is a lot different than a usual day, and I'll tell you why. I am leaving my work right now. Some of you may know I work at a school, but we just had a meeting, and come to find out, we are now closed for a whole month straight due to this coronavirus, COVID-19 storyline. So, I have a month off. That means more videos for you guys. Now, a lot of this is crazy to me because obviously I care about the kids, their education, what's going to happen in this whole storyline of everything shutting down. And everything is just kind of moving parts at this point. So I really don't even know how everything is going to be handled. These are just kind of my first thoughts. I haven't really talked to anyone else about this kind of stuff yet, so I wanted to kind of air it out to you guys, see what you guys think, drop some comments on this conversation. So I'm on the way home right now, and the streets are actually a little busier than I anticipated them to be. I thought the streets would be kind of clear since so much stuff has been closed down, so many people's jobs have closed down, so many schools have closed down. Seems like people are still out and about, probably still doing some preparation, getting as much done as they can before things close down even further. The whole scope of this epidemic is kind of interesting, especially from a psychological standpoint. Some of you may know I studied psychology in college. The sociology, the psychology, all of these aspects of human nature is really interesting to me, and how everything is developed so far. Where this is going to go, I don't really know, but it's definitely interesting to watch, and this is definitely a time to remember, in my opinion. Nothing like this has really happened in my lifetime. As much as I can remember, the blackout was kind of crazy like this, with a lot of stuff missing from stores. Y2K was pretty crazy as well, but the scope of how many places have shut down, how many schools have stopped having kids come, how many places have stopped serving food, movie theaters closing down, sports shutting down, all this is just kind of crazy for me because I never really thought it would get to this point. We'll see how this continues to progress, but one thing I know is I'm driving this M3. Let's go ahead and take a break from this little coronavirus conversation real quick. We can get some of this good old V8 engine noise going, hop on the highway, and then we can continue a little talk about this. Somebody get in front of me. That's how you unwind her. Ooh, this car is too much fun to drive. Alright, to kind of touch on what I was talking about before I took this quick little break to get on the highway, it is very interesting to see how our human psychology and everything has reacted to the naming of the Wuhan coronavirus, to how people react to how many news stories there have been on it, and how much anxiety it's produced, and in that anxiety how much preparation or just all-out craze has happened. I want you guys to make sure to stay safe out there, stay healthy, take the regular precautions as usual, wash hands, do all that, disinfect surfaces. But don't live in fear. That is one thing that this kind of stuff does to people, is has people live in fear more so. And we've all had the flu, we've all been sick, we know what it's like, but the spreadability of this is pretty bad. So definitely take your precautions, but do not live in fear. It's definitely going to be interesting to see how long this stuff goes on for. Some school districts have already closed down for the whole year, which I think is a little bit jumping the gun, but our people at our school told us that that is very much a possibility for us as well. So the uncertainty is really, really interesting right now. Like I said, I'm going to utilize the time to continue to work hard and bring you guys videos more regularly, get back on track with those. And bring things that you like to see. Take your mind off of this whole situation at hand, if you will, and bring some entertainment to you guys. Let's hear that V8 roar. Plus the smell from the exhaust is unforgettable. It's a whole ass beast. We gotta make some noise under some of these bridges though. Hold on. Joking with some of the faculty about the full moon we have, and I was like, yeah, it's gonna be funny what kind of energy this full moon brings in. And then all of this happens and we're off for a full moon cycle, a full month. So I don't know, this is gonna be interesting to see how all of this unfolds. No pun intended, galaxy fold. Yes, I'm looking at my phone while I'm driving because I believe my brother texted me. Looks like everybody's getting on Call of Duty today on the Warzone one. I don't know if you guys have tried that free-to-play Battle Royale from Call of Duty yet, but pretty sweet. Not an official plug for it, but it is a legitimate Battle Royale, and it definitely plays like it should. It's a lot of fun. So I think we're going to have a Beemer Fam gaming session this afternoon. All of us have school off and school canceled and everything, so we're going to hop on that and have some fun. Oh shit. Damn, niggas got in an accident over here, boy. Motherfuckers can't drive. They blocked out the whole lane. Alright, now we're back in my city. Got the windows down. making some noise. Got an X5 behind me. Rolling BMW deep right now. So I just looked behind me at the mirror as I'm here at the light, and I'm pretty sure M5 is behind me. And just like that, we're back home. I know this video is kind of short. I really just made it to update you guys on what's going on with me and my situation concerning this COVID-19 situation, if you call it that. I just wanted to check in. I'm sitting on a couple more videos I have edited up for you guys, but since this stuff is so new and happening right now and changing on a daily basis, I really wanted to touch base with you guys on this. Make sure you guys wash your hands, stay safe, don't do anything extra, don't be naive, please take your necessary precautions, don't go anywhere you don't need to go, take it easy, spend time with family. Like I said, make sure you keep your proper hygiene and take the necessary precautions to be safe. I love you all, and I'll update you guys more with what's to come, but next I'll have some more high-octane footage with my brother Eric for you guys. I'll get that all edited up and released for you guys after this video. So thank you guys for rocking with me. Stay safe out there, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.